Dr. Manish Jutode, Head and Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science, Janta Mahavidyalaya, Chandrapur. Now we are going to start history of computers. The history of a computer development is often in reference to the different generations of computing devices. Each of the 5 generations of computer is characterized by a major technological development that fundamentally changed the way computers operate. Most developments results in the increasingly smaller, cheaper, and more powerful and efficient computing devices. The history of computers we will discuss here. Now there are the 5 generations of computer. Now we are going to discuss the first generation of computers. The first electronic computer came into use at the end of Second World War. Development of this machine was started in 1943 and was completed in 1946. This electronic computer was known as ENIVAC, that is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator, and was designed by Dr. Presper Eckert and Dr. John Munchley. It contains approximately 18,500 vacuum tubes, 70,000 resistors, and 10,000 capacitors, and weighed about 30 tons. It also consumed a large amount of electrical power, considerable space, and a large amount of money. Now, we are going to discuss the second generation of computers. In this generation, the large bulky vacuum tubes were replaced with the much smaller transistor. This major technological achievement was developed by the scientists of Bell Laboratories in 1948. The transistors were not only smaller in size but also more reliable and consumed less energy, besides reducing the size of computer considerably. Also, second generation computer used high level programming languages. Another addition feature of second generation computer was the development of random access storage devices through which the information could be recorded or retrieved from a storage medium irrespective of the sequential order of the stored information. Now in the third generation of computer, the third generation of computer began in 1960. After the invention of integrated circuit or chip, this chip was 1/4 inch square piece of material on which thousands of electronic circuits, replacement for the vacuum tubes, transistor, resistors, and capacitors could be implemented. This is considered to be the backbone of the today's modern electronic computers. Now the fourth generation of a computer. This generation of computer was characterized by the development of microprocessor or a microchip in 1970. Approximately 70,000 or more vacuum tube equivalents or transistors will be embedded in a single chip of this kind. They were very powerful in terms of the speed or processing and memory. They were otherwise known as the computer on a chip. Now the last generation of a computer is a fifth generation of computer. The fifth generation computer of 1990 was much faster and more powerful and perhaps intelligent enough to process information and draw conclusions like the human beings. Therefore, this generation of computer is characterized by artificial intelligence. Because of the rapid growth of technological advancements in computer, no one can predict what the future will bring. It is certain that computers will continue to evolve and will bring about significant changes in our lives in future.